If you want to change your avatar on iPhone 16e, you need to open Settings, go to your Apple account over here, and then tap on your current avatar. Now you should be able to find other options, and once you press Done, you should be able to simply use the selected option. You can also use Memoji. You can create your own one by pressing this plus button. You can also use emojis over here. So for example, I'm gonna use this teddy bear. We can also customize the style, which is the change of the background color. There we go. And then we can press Done in the top right corner. If you are done with the customization, you can press Done over here. And remember that you also can use the camera. You can go to the gallery in order to pick a photo instead, and so on. So press Done in the top right corner again in order to save your changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!